Hey y'all, welcome back. Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. We're back again with another 1967 Shelby GT350 4-speed. This is 2320. It is finished in its original color of Candyapple red. Kelsey Hayes Mag Star wheels. We'll take a stroll around, show you guys this one. Being 2320, this is a little bit of a later car, so it is an outboard car. Two-piece grille, as you can see on this one. As I said before, Kelsey Hayes Mag Stars. Radial TA tires on this one, because the past owner did put a few miles on it. Good gaps and body lines throughout. Original Shelby scoops on the side. Beautiful chrome. Shelby dual exhaust tips in the rear. Original Carlite Glass. Sun decided to poke through on us just a little bit, so excuse the shadows. Carlite windshield. This one does have the Le Mans stripes over the top, giving this one quite the look. Let's pop the hood, let you guys check out the engine compartment on this one. Very well sorted engine compartment. This car runs like a top, which we'll see here in a second. This is its original Shelby Tag, as you can see, 2320. Over here in the passenger side shock tower, you can see the original hand stamp numbers. Like I said, two-piece grille on this one. Let's jump to the interior, get a peek at it. The most beautiful wheel Shelby ever produced, in my opinion, right here. This car is showing 50,000 miles. That is believed to be original. Like I said, this is a 4-speed car. And this one does have a beautiful interior. Shelby lap belts. All the way. The Shelby retractors. And we'll see if I can get the seat to fold down for you. So really nice interior on this one. Let's jump to the trunk. Goodyear big letter spare with the Kelsey Hayes original spare. This is the Elite Marti report that comes with this car. As you can see, this one sold at Yates, Stevens Ford in Kirkwood, Missouri. It'll also come with the SRG report, courtesy of Brian Stiles. So we'll have all the documentation for this one. All right, let's hop in, fire this one up. We'll let you guys hear it run. So 2320 fired over on the first click. As you can see, she's running very well. Idles great. This is not the original motor to this car, but it is a 289 HiPo. HiPo heads. It does have its Cobra aluminum intake. Cobra powered by Ford. Valve covers and HiPo exhaust manifolds. It also has its original carburetor, which we'll show you. S2MS with the correct date. I'll get that wing nut in a second. So let's take this one down the road, run it through the gears, and show you guys how well this one runs. So here we are in 2320. Take it for a little spin and show you guys just how well this one drives. Most Shelby people agree that the 67 350 4-speed is one of the best driving cars, very reliable, and the 289 HiPo motors have a ton of pep, as you'll see. This one shifts extremely smooth. You don't hear a peep out of it. It doesn't rattle. All gauges work, lights work. Great running and driving car. We'll downshift through the gears here. Power disc brakes, power steering. Just an extremely drivable car. All right, we've got 2320 back at the shop. Give you guys a little view of the underbody here. As you can see, red oxide, primered, Candyapple red oversprays, and the blackout oversprays from the pinch weld. This does have original suspension on it. Has been painted. Original spindles. Kelsey brakes for the power disc brakes. It does have some new hoses, as you guys can see. This is the original Rug N1 tranny. See if that tag will show up. And down here, we can check those numbers. Those correspond to the VIN of this Shelby, so it is a VIN matching tranny. As you can see, Candyapple overspray is a little hard to make out with the red oxide, but it does have the blackout oversprays from the pinch weld, which you can easily make out. It does have its dual exhaust with the transverse mufflers. You can see some drive shaft color codes. This is the original rear end to this car. It does have a 7C date. I doubt this date code will make out. No, it's gonna be a little bit too dark for that, but it is the 7C date. So as you can see, nice restored underbody on this one. Extremely solid, great car to begin with, great finished product. And we're happy to bring this one for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. If you got any more questions, feel free to reach out at nate@natesclassiccars.com, or you can reach out to the number in the description, and that's my direct line. So hope to talk to you soon. If you're interested, please give me a call. This one is going to be listed for $195,000.